How to fix character AI chat error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix character AI chat error. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you'll need to do is open up your character AI. Now simply tap on the name of the character that is giving you the issue. Tap on the top name and here you will see edit character. So the reason you might be getting the AI chat error is that you might have made a mistake while creating the character. So whenever you're creating the character, make sure that your settings are made correctly. So just check that, go through all of that, and then whenever you're using the AI, it should be working just fine. All you need to do is check with the settings. Now it's the same for group chats as well. Just head over to the group chats and then create head over to the edit and edit all the settings to the default, or edit the settings so that you might not have any error. And that is how you can fix the issue, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.